In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach PDF files for download on GoDaddy pages. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account-related options and the products connected to your subscription. Go ahead and click on your profile, then choose My Products. This section gives you a full view of the services and websites you currently manage through GoDaddy. From there, find the website you want to work on and select it. Make sure you're choosing the correct site before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one website. Once you've located the right one, click Edit Website. This will open the website builder so you can make changes directly to the page where you want your downloadable PDF to appear. Now, go to the specific page where you want to place the PDF download section. Take a moment to think about the best location for it. For example, if the PDF is important information, a brochure, a form, or a guide, you may want to place it somewhere visible and easy for visitors to find. When you're ready, click Add Section on that page. After that, use the search area and type in PDF. This helps you quickly find the section or layout that supports downloadable PDF content. Once the PDF-related option appears, click on Layout to preview the available design choices. This is useful because different layouts may display the download link or file area in different ways, so you can choose the one that fits your page style best. When you find the layout you want, click it to add that section to your page. At this point, the section will be inserted into your website and you'll be able to customize it further. This is where you can upload your PDF file. Feel free to upload the document you want your visitors to download. Make sure the file is the correct version before uploading, and it's a good idea to use a clear file name so it's easy to manage later. Once the PDF is uploaded, review the section to confirm it looks right on the page and is placed where you want it. That's it. You've now added a PDF download section to your GoDaddy page, making it simple for visitors to access your file directly from your website.